Good morning, Harrison here. The coffee is poured, and we're going to spend a little bit of time together. We're going to take a few minutes together every day. We're going to get to know each other a little bit better, and we're going to get more comfortable with AI. And how can we use this to either save time, get chunks of our life back, or generate more revenue and make more money? That's what we're going to talk about. I've been in build mode for the last 6 months. I'm finally able to come out of that, even though we'll always be building. But I want to get back to doing these videos because what I'm seeing over on LinkedIn is so much AI slop, terrible information, drivel. I want to create some great content and share some things with you that actually are going to create value for you. But to do that, I need to get to know you a little bit better and find out exactly what it is that you're struggling with. And here's what's on my mind today. And this really has been pulling on my heart a lot lately. And I know that some of you watching this feel this exact way. A lot of good people are walking around right now feeling way behind on AI. They are carrying this weight like they missed something that everybody else caught. And if that's you this morning, I want to help you with that. I want you to know that you're not behind. And I'm going to share a stat with you that shows you exactly that. I found this Gallup poll from the first quarter of 2026, and it shows us that yes, AI is everywhere, but daily use is still rare. Because here in quarter one, 2026, we only see 13% of workers using AI daily. Now, we are later in the year, and I would say with confidence, we're probably at 25%, but that's only 1 in 4. Think about that. You are not behind. There is still plenty of time for you to learn these tools. Here's what I want you to take away from this video today, because you can go out and watch all the YouTube videos you want. You can watch all of my videos, and you're only going to learn so much from doing that. Look, I can watch a bunch of YouTube videos on how to change the oil in my car, but that does not mean I can walk outside and change the oil in my car. I'm sure the first time I would do it, I would spill oil everywhere. I might strip out the air filter. Like, there's so many things that will probably go wrong. But if I go out there and I do it 5 times, 6 times, 10 times, eventually I'd be really good at it. AI is the same way. You have to get in there. You have to just start creating, asking it questions, pushing back. Because right now you can do everything from create a full blown song, videos, books. You can create beautiful websites now, mobile applications, dashboards, 3D images, video games. It truly is endless what you can create. And literally, if you can think it up, you can make it a reality. That's how cool this is. And once you unlock that concept, a whole new world opens up to you. Now, I want you to know these videos, I'm not here to be the smartest guy in the room. It is impossible to keep up with everything going on here. But what I am going to do is come alongside you and learn out loud and pass along the knowledge, the wisdom, the success, the failures, everything that I have with all of you out there. So come learn with us. Come learn with us and everything that we're doing. We're going to have live events, in-person events, virtual events. Matter of fact, this week on Tuesday, tomorrow, by the time you see this, we are going to do a live in-person event, an introduction to Claude. It's a 3-hour workshop. We're doing it at Launch Fishers. I think we do have a couple of seats left for that. We're going to do it from 9 a.m. till noon. And you're going to walk out kind of with your own AI agent and understand how to use the Claude app, at least at a very basic level. On Thursday, we have the launch of our Get Found webinar series. If you are a service business, $2 to $20 million, $2 to $50 million, somewhere in that range. If you are HVAC, plumbing, chiropractor, real estate, any of those type of things, this series is for you. It's focused on answer engine optimization. So the next generation of SEO. And then on Friday morning, 8 a.m., we do AI and coffee at Launch Fishers. Come join us, grab a cup of Java. Let's do this in person and just talk about what are we building? What are we all building? We can all learn from each other from that. So, all right, well, that's your cup for today. I'm sure these will get better as I go. But just know you're not behind, you're early, and I'm glad you're here. We're going to move further and we're going to move faster. I'll see you tomorrow. So good.